Welcome back to week 4. We're looking now at other Eastern religions. This week, we're looking at 3 Eastern religions that did not start in India, as Hinduism and Buddhism were. But these 3 were born during the latter part of Buddha's life, but in China and Japan. Each of these 3 religions is trying to bring about a sense of practical order into the impermanence of life that Buddha so pointed out, into the chaos, the pain of life, trying to bring a sense of order and harmony and understanding into that kind of world. And so they're more practical in that respect. Now, as we look at the absolute, the question of what is absolute, what is the ordering principle? In Taoism, and this religion was begun by Lao Tzu in China around 550 BC. His whole idea was that we need to bring order through living in harmony with nature. Nature thereby reflecting this principle of the Tao. The Tao is the word for the way that things are, an impersonal principle that flows through all of life. They're probably producing a principle of life. It's a little bit more of a positive principle, more of a life principle than you find in Brahman. With Confucius, and he was a contemporary with Lao Tzu. His religion was born in China also around 500 BC, but he wanted to bring order through societal structure. For Confucius, and he was a politician, he thought of the ordering principle being that of the Zhen, a heavenly principle, a little bit like the idea of the Holy Spirit in Christianity, that would order the world, that would bring order and structure into the world. Confucius, though, understood it in terms of opposites, that there's the yin and the yang, opposite principles that are reflected in our society, in Chinese society, in terms of male and female, higher and lower in society, higher and lower structures, parent and child. So these opposites can then be integrated, thereby reflecting the Zhen. Shinto was spawned in Japan around 550 AD, and this is an ordering principle provided by the Kami. The Kami it's the polytheistic religion of the gods. The Kami, the ancestor worship of the Japanese. Those ancestors of the Japanese, many of them were emperors that helped spawn Japanese society. So there's a quick overview of these 3 great religions born in the East, but not in India. Thanks.